there, crafty kids! Welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee. Whether you're a returning visitor to the channel or it's your first time here, we're thrilled to have you join our crafty community. Our channel is all about making fun and easy crafts. So let's dive into the world of creativity together. Today we're going to make a paper boat. So come on, let's see how we do it. Fold an A4 sheet in half, fold it again, open it back up and fold the right hand corner down. Do the same on the left side. Fold this bottom section up. Fold down these corners sticking out. Now fold the bottom section on this side up, fold down the corners like before. Open the bottom section and fold it down on itself like this. It should look like a diamond. Fold the bottom corner. Do the same on the other side. Open the bottom part and fold it on itself like this. Then pull these pieces out, flatten down, give it a bit of shape, and there you have it, a paper boat. Wow, that looks great! How did you get on with yours? Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget, keep crafting, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun! Bye bye! And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.